students, class 10, solution of test civics chapter 6, political parties by Suman ma'am. Boost your knowledge. 15 MCQ based questions, each question carry 1 marks. Total marks 15. And your first question is, who among the following is the founder of the Bahujan Samaj Party? And answer is A. Kansi Ram. Question number 2, consider the following statement on parties. And answer is both A and B. Question number 3, a group of people who came together to contest election and hold power in the government is called a, yes, answer is political party. Question number 4, how many political parties were recognized as national parties in India in 2006? And answer is, yes, answer is A, 06. How many political parties are recognized with the Election Commission of India? Yes, more than 750. Answer is more than 750. Next question. Question number 6. What is by-election? By-election क्या होता है? And answer is election held to fill a vacancy caused by death or any other house. Question number 7. Which country has an example of a multi-party system? And answer is India. What does the term partisan mean? Partisan means, and answer is a person who is strongly committed to the party. Question number 9. How many parties are required in any democratic system to compete in election in order to come to power? Yes. Answer is more than 2 parties. At least 2 parties. Sorry. Answer is at least 2 parties. Pick the country where the 2-party system exists. Yes, very good. If there is USA, then there are 2 answers, United Kingdom and USA. And answer is United Kingdom. Very good. Next question is, pick the country where the 1-party system exists. And answer is, yes, very good. B. China. Next question, question number 12. Which political party believes in Marxist-Leninism? Leninism. Yes. And answer is A. Communist Party of India. Next question 13. Which is recognized political party? Yes. Answer is very good. C. A party that is recognized by the Election Commission with all privileges and facilities. Next question, question number 14. Give the meaning of alliance. Alliance का meaning बताना है. Yes, and answer is when D. When several parties in a multi-party system join for the purpose of, yes. Next is question number 15. Political parties are most visible institutions in a democracy because, and answer is D. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.